Hey, Mr. White, this is CWG. This is not investment. This is not investment. This is CWG. Let's go. Okay. Um, live. You on YouTube. Always meeting. Okay. Oh, that's the link here. Where is the link? Okay. This, okay, let me share it on my. Did you? I beg. Be okay. Be admin for my group. I won't share this thing for you. Mm. Yes, Telegram. I beg. Be your charger. Come, we go to try this thing. I will send you. Who your WhatsApp do first? Wait, make you admin first. Okay, I will share the link. I want to, I want to, make a, it's only that one that is there now. Please, somebody is downstairs. See, okay. Irwan, Irwan, do you know that guy that was you guy, Emmanuel? Emmanuel that was on what do you call, that was on at I guess low. That guy, that Emmanuel, that short guy, he's downstairs. I don't know. Please, your brother can go. Your brother can go and pick him up. So I've seen the machine. So why are you sharing? Hmm? You sharing something? No, now the link I just shared the link. That's all. Mm. Aaron, okay. You see? So now, because you're entitled. Yeah. So where I just when I went to training, I want to see, but it's not showing yet. And who is training yet? Because now they can see that screen. Okay. That's only this. Okay, do it. Okay. No, I want to because I'll be because in switch. Why don't you do it? How to allow this? How to allow person to change? Can they do that? Mm. Okay. Yeah, we can't see. Oh, okay. All right. All right. Now let's. Um, wait. Not to Mr. Henry. So, so are we guys? Are we guys seated? Easy. We need video. So and you see this traffic and the video one. So the delay. It was the issue. You should not show to one. Because everyone is gonna do. One of us. Yes, we're about starting now. Very time. So, um, hello guys. Good morning, everybody. Good afternoon. Okay. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. So, we're about starting, and also, okay. So it's good to see everybody here. I'm really happy. We are not much, but I believe the little that we are right now, we can actually pull out some. So, this is the CPI news we're looking at. So I've been on this data for a very long time, and also for those people watching online. So please, guys, I want you guys to pay attention. We are looking at to sell good, but at this point, what God is trying to give us at this point. So you need so there are some things that you guys need to understand while you're looking at the trading fundamentals. So we were expecting a massive turn up from the whole tariff stuff between Trump and the China people. As you can see that over here we have data that are actually have been dropped. This one was being dropped just 1 hour ago, and now this was, and now this is a very now this is a very tricky data because according to what I see, according to what I see here, now we are looking at to see this this 0.3 forecast here. We might expect it to come out 0.2%. I expect it to come out 0.2% because there is a late hour news. So this is what really happened to NFP to last week NFP. You can see. Let's go back to let's first of all start because this month was a very shaky month for fundamental news. You can see what happened during the NFP. Let's go back. So what happened to the NFP news is this. People, our forecast was actually 120 for a start, which is the 2 weeks before the news. So so now the following week we saw a change of forecast again. We we, we saw that there was some adjustments on it that forecast has been changed to 120 to 1 to 129, and now which is very skeptical. So let's just see. So you can see here, I posted on my channel. You can see another adjustment on the forecast data from 120K to 129K and to 133K. And now, due to my own analysis that I did on my own forecast, I actually came out to see 135K. So now, what is the main reason why this thing actually came, came out with this? Now, as you can see, within this NFP are actually based on the jobs reports in the country. What companies are actually giving out, you understand, an estimate of their revenue, and also what the US government can charge them in their tax. So that's just basically for the NFP. So now the CPI is based on consumer prices. So what the whole country is actually benefiting from other country. We have and also China and US are actually like they are one of the like their economy is one of the best, and also China is not willing to back down for US, and US also as well is not willing to back down. So most people now are saying that since I can tell you that Trump is a very crazy man. Trump is very crazy, and according to what Trump is doing, Trump is trying to stable the US economy to make it be stable to be actually no inflation because last time that Trump was when he left that White House, there was no inflation in the United States. The economy has been in very good shape. So when Biden and Harrison entered, they came and crumbled the whole thing. First week, like was it not the first year of Biden being in office, the US stock crashed. The US stock crashed massively. Everything was on red because of what? Because of the loans he has been offering to Ukraine. He wanted to bring in Ukraine to NATO, and now Ukraine and also Russia. Russia is not willing to allow it. Just like you know my secret and you want to expose it to. That's the main reason why Russia has to, like they have to attack Ukraine and tell the president that we are going to take back our country because because Ukraine came out from Russia. So during those time, you can see that during those time you can see how gold was buying massively during that period. Gold was buying if you're looking for sale. So that is the same thing now we're experiencing at this level. You can see if you go back to the if you go back to our chart to our daily time frame, you can see how gold has been buying when Trump became president. You can see how gold has been buying up to this level. You can see the massive push up from there, from here down to this level here. So now, what we are expecting, we are expecting price to still come back to this level. So now, according to what we are seeing here, according to what we're seeing here, we're seeing that dollar now has actually been on a very like on a good shape since last week. Who noticed the gap in the market? You notice the gap in the market. Did you like? I mean, like, did you guys ever wonder like, okay, what is the main reason why that gap occurred? Because yeah, because in this chart we can't actually see the gap here. But if you check your MT5, your MT4, you will see it right now. It means that that gap now during those meetings now that gap now it means that they were having a meeting within the weekend when the market was up. And those meetings they have actually favored US. US were able to close down a deal with the UK, which has given US a stronger upper hand for their economy. And also China, China at China as well has also come in terms with Trump. So now China will be giving as usual, China will be remitting 30% tariff, and then US will be remitting 10% because most products usually come from the US down to China. So and also without most of like I can tell you that China and US they, like in the whole world they usually like do for them to have a strong economy they know that two of you can't do it two of them you can't do without each other. But Trump is trying to show superior like I want to let you know that okay yeah I am like my country is the what like my country is the one that has power here. So I can do whatever I want to do. So what they are trying to do, they are trying to play like game of chess. The reason why they saw like the reason why China and Russia, China and US were able to come in terms that they can't keep doing this to the market because they are crumbling the market. They're not giving the market a good direction. The US economy is not adding up. China economy is not adding up. So whatever they are doing within both within themselves. So now they have come to terms to sit down and analyze and see okay what can we do. So now initially my own analysis technically because this place at, from the MT4 MT5 this was where the gap is. You understand? So this was where the gap is from the MT4 and the MT5. So we expect price as if the news release in the next 10 minutes, in the next 9 minutes, we expect price to come. If price should buy up to this level, I'm selling from here. I'm selling from here and I'm holding. So this place is gap. There's a gap here. There's a gap here. So no matter how there's a gap in the chart, price will always come and fill that gap. Price will always come and fill that gap. If you notice from last year, there has been gap in the market, right? There have been gap in market. If that gap is up, if that gap is at this level, we expect price to still go back here to fill up the gap and then come back again because initially now gold now has already changed its trend. Gold now has already changed its trend. We expect gold to still sell. Alright, this me, I and my friend Gabriel, we were anticipating this sell. When the gap just opened, when the gap just opened, we just saw a massive pullback down again. And at that point, we could not enter. So so I had told him that guy, whatever I need to do in the market, just allow CPI to just release. Just allow CPI to release. Then if CPI push the price and come and cover up the gap, then I can tell you that this place is a good place for us to sell market. Yes, which is 334. Yes, 334. So that is the best place for you to sell the market. Because I know some people, yeah, I know some people they will feel like okay, since I know it's a sell, since I know it, they say, okay, just why can't I just okay, let me just enter a sale already. So sometimes your account might not be able to carry out the retracement. It will blow your account. At the end of the day, now it will not start going back your way. You'll be the one to be like you'll be the one to be complaining that okay, I've blown my account. So you need to be very careful. So the gap now we're expecting that. So we should expect this according to okay, now we have 6 minutes before the news release. So guys, let's see what's going to happen. We have 6 minutes before the news release. If you're here with me, if you're here with me, both online, please be very careful. Like I said, we have 6 minutes. You can see, so 6 minutes. Let's see. Let's see what's going to happen. So let me now explain this before in less than before the news release. Okay, I've already opened it already. So according to this, I think they said Trump claims that there is no inflation. There is no inflation. May clash with the latest consumer price data. Now, at this point, the focus is 0.3%, right? Which is the focus. So at this point now, they are saying that. So this was the key point I marked out. I said it is true that okay, on a monthly basis, or like on a monthly basis, the average price growth was negative in March. March was a very bad day for what they call for the CPI news, right? So now for April analysis, so now for April now we're expecting 0.2%. And meanwhile, in this forecast, we are seeing 0.2, like 0.3%. So let's wait and let's see what's going to happen. We have 4 minutes more. So we expect this to come out 0.2% or literally this because this is CPI monthly data big data forecast. This is 0.3%. So let's say 4 minutes more. And we're going to get this. Yes, if you know, it needs to cover up that gap. It needs to cover up that gap because if the market will open up like that, that means you know that these people they are really doing it just to make money for their own self. They're really doing it just to make money because people like because you see now Trump, the reason why Trump was even fighting for. See, Trump is a trader. He has stocks. He has stocks. He has shares in different companies, like in different companies. So if you push harder, if U.S. economy is actually profiting, him him as well is making money, both in real estate and both in his own personal businesses that he has. So Trump is a businessman. He knows how the economy works. So now for you to come out and say, I understand the interest rate more than Powell himself because he was the one that actually employed Powell 2017 when he was in C. He was the one that actually put Powell there. So for him to come out and say, like when you come out and say Powell doesn't know, Powell doesn't know, so we should have already seen it, in his calculation, and you can see now they were even happy that April, the result from April came stronger. And you can see in data, they even say that let's see this one. 2 minutes more, we have 2 minutes. Okay, you can see here, you can see in this place we have they said dollar gain versus yen on US chain on US China trade, which is this article was being put in the weekend. So it's part of during the weekend when they were having the meeting. When they were having the meeting. So this was what we saw. And also we can see that okay, 1 minute more. We have 1 minute more. 1 minute more to 1 minute more before we see. We are going. So 1 minute more. Let's hold on. Let's hold on, guys. Are you scared to? Are you? Do you want to enter? Let's wait. Let's wait because are you guys scared? Let's see. Let's see. Let's see the magic. Let's see the magic. Let's see the magic. Okay. Oh, God, God, God. You want to enter? You can enter if you want to enter. It's a buy. If it buys up, if it goes up, then we should looking out for a sell position. So this is what we should be looking out for. And there are some fundamental news which is CPI that if I see that there are chances, I'm already in the market before I'm already in the market already. I'll be waiting for the price to drop. So we have 35. Okay, now let's go. Let's do the countdown together. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's push, let's push. Let's see how this is going to be like. It's 1, 15, 17, 16, 15. Eh, let's see. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, let's see. 20. Oh yeah. 4 hours. You can see now. You see, you see. Are you serious? No, 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 no. We are expecting it to go. We're expecting it to go up. It to go back for coming down. Yes. So now let's see the. So let's see the. So let's see the, let's see the result. You see, I told you guys 0.2%. You see, I told you guys 0.2%. So I said this was it came out very late. And now, if you're not careful enough, you'll be tempted. You enter for it. You understand? Already, it came out. Already, it came out. Already, the focus came out. Already, you see, the focus came out 0.3, which now this one came out 1 hour ago. And now, at this point, you can see I marked this place before I started the information. I marked this place. I said 0.2%. This was what we were expecting. So, so now, do you understand? So, uh, so I hope you can understand that. Don't worry, fundamental. Now we get fundamental. So we're expecting it now. So so whatever is going to happen right now, price now I should be looking for a buy. Yeah, but once price come here, I'm selling. Once price comes, I'm looking for a buy at this place here. So I will say for me, you should buy gold now. You should buy gold now. So if you're looking out for a sell is no more value. Yes. You get exactly how I predicted it already. I see it came in at the 9 minute. It came in at the 9 minute. Shebi, I was telling you downstairs. I was telling you that guy, there's something very fishy about this year. So so you see that it came out. Oh wow, sharp. Yes, from that side. So you guys see now from this place now. For me, I will recommend you can buy gold now. You can buy and your essay and your essay can be your essay can be at this level. No, this level rather. I won't kind of go where can go civil step. I beg go. Essay okay. Essay will be at three 3216.080. Yes, 32 yes 3216 point. Yeah. So from here, assuming you're not careful enough now, everyone now will be on this everyone now will be on this level now will be saying 0.3%, 0.3%, and you can see it came out as I said, bam. Yeah, it will go down. No, exactly. What will happen is this. What will happen is in trading, your trading definitely will always be a drawdown. Will always be a drawdown before whatever. Because look at this zone here, look at the zone here. So you take profit. I will advise first take profit should be here. Yeah, should be at that point. Yes. Now calm. Three 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 one three one point two seven. Yes, 0.27. Yeah, already. Absolutely. Yeah, sure. So we're still expecting price to still go. Okay. Okay, you're already inside. Okay. Yeah, exactly. Dollar came out with. I, even me, I'm already in profit. Data is that is. Are you wait? Are you guys not on trading? I'm buying you now. I said this now. Like I said it. I said it now because it came out because everybody was expecting dollar to come out. But see, it came out. Yes, it came out. It came out by minutes. That was when I saw this thing. Eh? No, it's not. No paper. I just use my this thing. You don't want. You don't want. No one. No one. Definitely. Ah, play. I tell you, see, that's good for it. But you guys, let's just see. So I don't know. In my I think life is still on. So guys, I think so. So I think that's all. Wow. Aaron, we are done now. We're done.